Hei hi Akasfani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar tu Silian sang puya. Bharat Scouts and Guides Northeast Mini Jamboree voiriat na chu Chief Minister Pulal du Oma President Mizoram Bharat Scouts and Guides ni bokchuan voin khana hong. Home Minister Puke Sabdangan Champhai District Jail chu Saski Part 4 atangin sakthat ani do nati. BJP kaisoi Mahayuti Tangrual chu Maharashtra Assembly thana chakna an changdona hetila hian India Bloc 10 Jargon Assembly thana chaknan changthun don. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chu naktu pathini chumdar som pakhat hian Akasfani man ki baat program mangle don. Bharat Scouts and Guides Northeast Mini Jamboree voiriat na chu Chief Minister Pulal du Oma President Mizoram Bharat Scouts and Guides ni bokchuan voin khan hong. Bharat Scouts and Guides Mizoram State Trading Center Tantrila Mini Jamboree ngani a honna thusen Chief Minister chuan Tangrola malakna hlotlina mu ani thina BSG in athil tumber po Tangrola India thazok din ani a chu wangin he hun toite chung hian Chanchinthar te hlimna thlen tu ni theu turin kalkhom te cha ani Chief National Commissioner Dr. KK Khandelwal chuan he hunain Chief Minister Pulal du Oman Mizoram Bharat Scouts and Guides te phur taka malo lakpui thina wangin National Award sangber Silver Elephant Award dong turin an thang te apuanga hewa dong turan rod na hi Chief Minister hlan ngalani lekhain Bharat Scouts and Guides a thopui na le phurpui na wangte thil thati tura thalai te nun kong kai hruai tu le ti chak tu hruai tu thata kan ya wangte a he choi moina hi pek andu thi an ziaka he award hi President of India na hlan thina hunam chama se bera Chief Minister hlan antum ani ni jamboree hian November ni somni pre thleng odona he mi chung hian thil sang anzirin anti hodona tuntum hi Mizoram Northeast Mini Jamboree thlan void ni na ni a India marchak bik ta na ro manna anina in state danga tangaron kalpo eng mazatan oma mis zathum velan kalkhom ani Mami District Police le Narcotics Control Bureau NCB te joint operation chuan Nimin Khan Zamuang khobula motor pakhata train methamphetamine kesi som pathum an mana heng methamphetamine man te hi cheng noi za somruk pakko hu vela chut ani met phurtu mi pathum mal somdinga khopui chi felam Myanmar lalmun siamele vanal enga bongkon brigade veng Aizawl te manan ni a methamphetamine man te hi phurtu te hen kan hun kal thanga Tripura lama kalpuyan tum thuan soi ani karkalta ani sampruk jing khowar ma mat phai le lungtui rama chinche lova bo lalbiak zawa kum somlimi ke tum khuwa chu abo tanga ni sarina win khan thia mu ani kan correspondent report longa thak thun jamang u
lalbiak zawa kum somlimi anu pilal mun siami ke tum konveng chu karkalta ni som paruk jing khowar ma deu khan leleta anriana mat phai lum tui rama chingriat lawna bowa voin hi anisari zonna chiatur ani lain arwang mu anita a zonna hian mitlomai tam takten sumle pai te thoin tin tha tam takan senga serchip DC lamatang point thingpui lumna chersing khat te tho ani atin voina atop na ni bera po hian bial tu mele pulal mon puya punte atel veng he silal minglua Akasvani serchip
Home Minister Puke Sabdangan Champhai District Jail chu Saski Part 4 tangin sakthat ani donati Champhai District Lawajin Home Minister chuan Voin Khan Champhai District Jail Zokothar Police Station Land and Custom Building sakthar te tlo District Jail Zokothar Police Station tlo na hian thoktu ten inkomin thoktu te hian anma mote Home Minister nen thlen ani Champhai District Jail hi mi za panga om theina ni line tundin huna mi za samru panga mi pa za som panga la me chi som polian tang meka thoktu som ni anom mek ani Home Minister chuan state chunga zel sang zel chunga om turzat ai tam anom do vekati mishing an pung chho zela solenta po pung ve zel boka zela lut an tam tel boka ram mishing chengzat nena khai khin chuan Mizorama zel tang an thanem hle hei thil poi takani ati police tele tlomai pol ten the top an chho zelanga ma sona mu zela in be se thi ri hlo la ka fu hlim lo police om ten ngong an nei thui zia an hria ta tula anen kol ramtan channathar theu turin asom ani Sri Lankan society te somna angin puke sabdang hian Sri Lankan a huna mangboka Mizo te nuna mun poimo tak hum hala enkol tu Sri Lankan society te hena lom thu soi ani voin chundar som bakhale achan ve borvel khan Champhai district mual koi khuwa Champhai tanga kilometer som pathum velami pulal thantlunga inchu bungro engma chu man lovin akangral mual koi wema president pularin tlong hnen tanga thun danin Pulal thantlonga in akan lai hian anei tu te in nga kanom lova in kang hi an thanom tenan hmu an hmu hian alo kang nual man to a chhun re lai ni ba ka anom na hi mual koi veng to blam kel kang pan na kong ani awangin thel man ani lova an bongro engma chu man ani lova he in kang hi semi paka building ani kang mei chhuwa thu hi champai fire and emergency duty te po hri tir ani a an hriat tir hun hi ata deuh to awang le in akan zo deuh vek to awangin kang thel tur kal mek fire tender le the te po kong la ka anom line ko ki an ni thu don ani zo reunification organization zoro bo sai zo fa te in ron khom na huna zo fa te chin ku ki Mizo in sui khom le nan hmalak zel ni se anti Aizawl MZP conference in ron khom na a hian kal khom de chon resolution semin chin ku ki Mizo te chu thla du thumun trong khat mang nun phung thumun sele sang in khoipol base ne thumun wona damle tlang khata thile rom khata ti thin tu una on ni a una on ni angin in then the an ni lawani anti he huna tu sei tu zoro president puar sangko e chuan zoram chu zo fa te ta ni a zo fa te chena tur pathian pe gani a ane tu dik tak an ni ati a kum tam tak in to polo awangin unaw in shelo chang po oma chena shona wangin in unaw na abo chong lova tisin in jom tata wangin abo chong theilowani ati Lunglei District Deputy Commissioner's Office Bultuma Citizen Care Grievance Redressal Day khole tuite ngai sak har sana chinfelni tholi na chu nimin khan sangawa video conference hall amhanani a ta dar khata tanga darli thlengin sarkar department sang sang de chumi pui dor thein anin pho chokani khole tuite ngai sak har sana chinfelni puala hun mana hian sarkar department so panga te chumi pui dor thei turin dokan sang sanga anin pho chok ani he puala hun man hi Longkai Bursa Puchimala Siva Gopal Reddy le Sarkar me poimo tak tak ten an hova DC hian Vein Khan sanga 4 late and hiam to bokin disaster management and rehabilitation noya mitigation na thole malak dana NFA Far Park self help group te akom hal bok ani Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl tanga puan ani BJP kaishoi Mahayoti Trangrul cha Maharashtra Assembly in thana changnan changdona etila hian India Block 10 Jharkhand Assembly in thana changna an changdon thung ani Vein Khan heng state pan assembly in than vote chirani a Maharashtra season hi somre period oma hriat thei china BJP le athopui ten seat an lak to le man chun hi vain jani somni pakhat atling to ani kan correspondent report ilonga thak chun zomang u
The BJP-led Mahayuti is heading to a massive landslide and unprecedented victory in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly polls. Since the word go, when the counting began this morning, the BJP made rapid progression and consistently retained the top spot. Also on the close heels of the BJP, its alliance partners, the Shiv Sena of the Eknath Shinde and the Ajit Pawar's Nationalist Congress Party, they have also put up a good show. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, who has won from the Kopri Patspakadi seat in Thane, has expressed deep gratitude to the people for reposing faith in the Mahayuti government. In addition to this, one of the biggest takeaways, if one analyzes the election map of Maharashtra, where except some tribal pockets and parts of western Maharashtra, the Mahayuti's flag has been flying high since the morning. They have also become a force to reckon with. The counting is also underway for the Nanded Lok Sabha seat, in which BJP's Dr. Santukrao Hambarde is leading against Ravindra Chavan of Congress.
Hetila hian seat somret pakhat omna Jharkhand achon sarkar lai JMM le an thopui India Block Trangrol 10 seat unlock to le man troi na hi somnga pakhatani a NDA le thopui ten seat unlock le man troi na mek na somni pasari ani thung kan correspondent report ilonga thak chun zomang
Yeah, Naresh, India Bloc has taken a substantial lead in the assembly election with the 51 seats. So it is almost clear that Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, Congress, RJD and CPI-ML of India Bloc is going to form the next government in the state again. And it is one of the most interesting fact that since the formation of Jharkhand state in 2000, this is the first time that any alliance is set to return to power consecutively. If we talk about the important candidates, JMM senior leader and Chief Minister Hemant Soren is leading from Barhes seat. BJP state president Babulal Marandi is ahead from Dhanwar seat on the traditional bastion of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, while wife of Hemant Soren is trailing from Gande constituency. So as counting progresses, the final result will offer clear picture of the state's political landscape.
Hembak ain Lok Sabha seat nil assembly seat somni pro by election vote chirani boka shethechina Kerala a Wayanad Lok Sabha seat a Congress Shwetu Priyanka Gandhi Vadrajan vote no thum chongin ma shroya nandeta BJP candidate Dr. Santukrao Hambarde chon ma shroi bok ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chon naktuk pathian ni chumadar som pakat khian Akashvani aman ki ba program hang le dona ram chung le ram po mi puiten hena thu soi le don ani tuntuma mi hi atum za le som parung na turani ang he program hi Akashvani le Doordarshan network pumpui AR news website le news on AR mobile application ate ti chhoni anga AR news DD news PMO le Union Information and Broadcasting Ministry YouTube channel ate live stream ani bokang Chanchinthar cherti topna na tang pui Bharat Scout and Guides Northeast Mini Jamboree Vaire na Chief Minister Pulal do Oma President Mizoram Bharat Scout and Guides ni bokchon twin khan hong Home Minister Poke Sabdangan Champhai District Jail chu Saski Part 4 atangin sakthata ni donati BJP kai chui Mahayoti Tangrol chuan Maharashtra Assembly thana changnan changdona hetila hen India Block 10 Jharkhand Assembly thana changna an changdon thung ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chu naktu pathini chomdar som pakhat khian Akashvani ya Man Ki Baat program mangle don chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan pon thei chu ani